So I'm beginning. I just got the Shopify card reader, the Shopify chip and swipe card reader. I usually use the PayPal chip and swipe card reader, and I have the Shopify tap and chip card reader. However, it doesn't have a swipe, and the chip part of it, my kids decided to push something out of it, so now it's jammed. However, it still works and I can still tap. I didn't want to purchase a entirely new card reader. Like, I was going to, but then I was like, why not get the Shopify chip and slide card reader, because the tap and chip card reader does not swipe. So sometimes people would swipe cards, I wasn't able to take those, I'd have to sign it in. So I was like, might as well have the both of them, and that way they both connect to my website. Hi. All right, so let's begin unboxing. So this is what it comes inside of. I haven't opened it yet. I was waiting to record this to open it. So let's see what it looks like. All right, it's quite nice. Comes in a little baggie. Okay. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, this is nice. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out here. This is very cute. It's very tiny too. It's kind of the same size as the PayPal one. So that's dope. What are these? I'm not sure what this is. I guess I'll have to read the instruction. I'm not sure what this is either. I thought it came with a stand. I thought it had this on it. Let's see. So it says you can use it it comes with instructions. You could download the latest POS version, open the app, go to store, and add the hardware. So it has all the instructions. You can find detailed instructions at Shopify website. And then, oh, there it goes. That's what I was looking for. Okay. So that's cool. Comes with a charger. That's nice. Yo, I think this is a really cool carrying case, but it comes with a charger. Oh, okay. So look, it uses the older versions and charger, which is the USB. I don't remember. I'm gonna have to check it. But it's not like, now we have the USB-C. That's what most phones use. It doesn't use that. And their new tap and chip card reader that has USB-C. So that's cool, because that's the same charger as my Samsung phone. This one has the same charger as the PayPal card reader. But what I do know is that, no biggie. That's cool. So I'm gonna put this back inside here. But what I'm going to do is try to take this out. Well, I think this is pretty cool, because this is a carrying case. It's not light, but it's not heavy either. It's very sturdy. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to put this here. I should read the instructions, but yeah, I don't want to do that right now, because I kind of figured out how to do it. So when you make a purchase, it will go in here, and you swipe the client's card here. However, let's turn it on. Maybe I do need to read the instructions. Oh, there it is. Okay. Nope, not instructions. Okay. What I think. So on the instructions not in there. Let me see. Oh, it comes with the stickers, to post, to put, so you collect it. Still don't know what these are for yet. This is pretty heavy, and I think it's so unique and cute. Wait, is this a? Oh, okay. All right, guys. So I just figured out what this is for. This is actually a charging port. Yeah, this is dope. So what you do is charge this, and then it will keep this charged. That's fantastic. That's dope. I didn't know it have that. So yeah, this is dope. Because I didn't realize that. But look, you charge this. So this is like a portable battery in itself, and I'm pretty sure you can charge this as well. And you could keep this connected. Yeah, this is a must-have. If you are a small business and you have a Shopify website and you're taking payments outside, collect yourself one of these. Yep. I don't know, like, I love the PayPal card reader, but this is, if you don't have, PayPal, this has now. Yeah, this is my favorite. No, this bad. This is lit. Yep, this is a vibe. This is it. Now I'm just trying to figure out how I turn it on. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'm gonna go, figure out how to. Maybe I need to plug it in. Let's do that. So, guys, I figured it out. I have to plug it in. All right, let's see what happens. All right, guys, let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, there it goes. So the light is there. So I'm thinking that yellow means that it's charging, and then when it turns to green, it will be fully charged, and then I'd be able to connect it to my Wi-Fi. And as I say that, now I look, because there's no instruction manual in it. That's kind of strange. Or maybe it was in the other little box that it was in and I didn't see it. But I'm gonna leave it to charge here, and then see what happens, because on the box it has a green light, so I'm assuming that the green light means that it's fully charged and ready to work. So a wireless and secure way to accept credit card. All right, cool. So I'm gonna leave this here, let it charge until it hits green, and then I'll be right back to show you what else happens. See ya. As you can see here, flashing every 5 seconds. Card reader is on standby. I literally just plug out the charger and this is what it's doing right now. So I'm guessing it's up and working. I'm going to try and connect it now and see what happens. So while that charges, I am currently looking at the instructions for the mount, the chip and swipe reader. So this is what it says here. It comes with 2 mounting stickers. Okay, so I didn't know those 2 white things that I previously showed you. I'm gonna insert a pic of it. Those are mounting stickers which you can use to attach it to another device. Okay, so basically those stickers that we saw in the beginning, you can literally add those to your phone and you attach it to the back and you're good to go. That's cool. Or a tablet. All right, cool. So if you detach your chip and swipe reader, then the mount sticker can be wiped clean and reused. That's a plus. Okay, so now this is kind of looking better than the PayPal reader. If you have Shopify, if you have a Shopify website, you don't have PayPal, this is definitely, this is a one-up on PayPal. That's dope. That's innovative, needed, necessary, because you can reuse it. So that's cool, and they gave you 2. All right, tells you how to clean the mounting surface, right? And the chip and swipe reader before attaching the mounting sticker to ensure a strong bond. That's cool. All right, next, so now to power it on and on, kind of what we were struggling with from before. To turn on the chip and swipe reader, press and hold the power button on the side of the reader. See, I tried to do that, but as you can see, I probably didn't hold it for long because it never really come on. So if you've already paired and connected the reader with their POS device, then the reader automatically connects to the device. I guess I'm assuming that mine never worked because it never charged. So I'm going to wait for that to happen. After it done charge, then I'll know, what's what. Another good perk about this is because I have their tap and chip reader. I don't think it does this. I know it goes into standby mode, but whenever I sign into Shopify, I kind of have to press a button to kind of wake it up. I have to press on that turn on button, that power button, to kind of wake it up, and it takes about 5 seconds to connect. So it doesn't automatically do it like this, because what this is saying is that once it goes into standby mode, the status light flashes every 5 seconds. So what that means is that when you put it down, you're just going to keep seeing it flashing every 5 seconds to tell you that it's there. And then the card reader turns on automatically when you take a card payment at checkout. That right there, boss moves, because it's giving me store vibes. It's giving me mall vibes. It's giving me professional in a store, own store vibes. It's giving me not wasting people time and not waiting. Even if it's 5 seconds, sometimes it can seem longer. So it's giving me a really nice vibe there, because I have that problem sometimes when I'm using a tap and chip. Even though there's a few times, sometimes I click it and it doesn't connect, or it takes a little while, or sometimes I don't know what's going on with it. But the fact that once you select to take a card, it automatically just turns on when you take a card payment at checkout, that is crazy. That's dope. That's cool as shit. So it says after 3 hours, it turns itself off fully, which makes sense. 3 hours is a long time for it to be on anyway. So if you're 3 hours is a good time, and then it turns off and then you turn it back on. So typically you need to turn on the card reader only once a day. Yeah. You can manually turn off the reader at any time by pressing and holding the power button until the status light turns off. That makes sense. All right, so now for all the good stuff, the colors of the light. That's what I was trying to figure out, right? So whenever the chip and swipe reader is turned on, its status light shows the reader's connection status and whether the reader needs to be charged. All right, so as I'm doing this, you're going to see it on the video. So it says continuous flashing. The card reader is ready to connect to a POS device. That's dope. Flashing every 5 seconds. The card reader is in standby mode. Okay. Green, the card reader is charged. That's what I thought, because that's what I was saying in the beginning, that on the box it's green, so that means it's fully charged. So yellow, the card reader is charging, as mine is doing right now. Red, the card reader's battery life is at 10% and the reader should be charged. I didn't see red, but I didn't see any color at all. That's why I assumed that I should charge it. However, this says no light, the card reader is turned off. So maybe it was turned off and I didn't press it long enough for it to come off. So I'm going to try that as well. All right. So it says you can continue to make sales when the status light turns red, but you should charge the reader soon. All right. That's a good vibe. That's a good vibe. And these are pairing instructions. I am going to pair it to my phone pretty soon. But what I also, and then I'll show you all of this, what it's telling you to do. But me like this. This I like. I like this card reader. This card reader is, yeah. Because, the top one you can take tap. But I have so much people that come in with chips same way that this is going to be beneficial. That way I won't have to, because usually when I get the payments from PayPal, I have to update my Shopify analytics to, reflect that. So PayPal will be a backup for me now. So this is a good catch. This is definitely, Shopify are doing a thing with this. They did their thing on this. This is a must have. If you have a Shopify website and you don't want a really expensive one, deal with this, because my tap and chip one really work for people who are paying with them phones. If they're paying with their phone, they could definitely use my tap and chip. If not, they can use this right here. This is going to be the one. Hey guys, so what I did was I just connected the tap and chip. I just connected my tap and chip card reader just to see if they will both connect at the same time, but it didn't really take long for this to connect. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see if I get a customer and I needed to change. I would just go ahead and take this and then I'll go boom, connect card reader, swipe down to chip and swipe. Let's see how long it takes to connect. Blow. All right, make us see. I press the button like it say. See how long it takes. We're going to see. I guess it's searching. It's searching. Let's see. Oop, you guys like my shirt? Anyways, it's searching. Wow. Searching for quite some time. Oh, there it goes. Well, it's not really done. Probably like 5 seconds. And then I'll connect. Blow. You see that? And just connect right away. So this would be iffy, I guess because I sell in person all the time, it won't take me long for ask a customer, hey, your card have a chip on it. But to be safe, not a lot of people use the phone, so this one would be like a rare case type of thing. So if a customer come and say, oh, they want to use their phone, then this would be a rare case. So I'll keep this one connected, and then just in case a unicorn come and they're like, oh, they want to use their phone, bam, they use their phone on it. But that wasn't bad. So I think this would be the dominant reader here. This is going to be the one here, because I take a lot more chip more than I take phone. But I would have this as a backup, just like how I have my PayPal as a backup as well. All right guys, so what I'm going to do is connect my card reader. So we're going to go to hardware, and of course my Bluetooth and my location is on, as you can see there. Now let's go to the card reader. My tap and chip is disconnected. Sorry, I went to the wrong area. Connect card reader, and here it goes. Connect chip and swipe. Press and release the button on the reader's side. The light will start flashing. Right? So I'm waiting for it to connect, so let's see how that is going to take. So here it is. The button is flashing here, if you can see it, definitely flashing. And now that it is flashing, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. Tells you the number. Okay, so now it's pairing, right? Pair with Shopify 08 da, da, da. Yes, there it goes. So now I'm paired with it. Ooh, and up top there you see card reader connected. So now I'm successfully connected too, and now it's a full green, powered on, connected, right? So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to hardware. I'm only going to hardware because I want to see if okay, so it disconnected my tap and chip, so I guess I can't use both, but I can always connect them together. Okay, I'm gonna see if I could connect both and see. One second. The other one connects, so I'm going to connect my tap and chip and I'm going to show you the type of life. All right, so I'm gonna turn it on. So I'm turn it on there, like it's if I hold it, but me not hold it because oh, it's already there. What, you know, no work to be done. That's less than 5 seconds. That's world record. And see there, connected. Boom. So the two of them connected already. See there, two of them connected. So I'm not have to do nothing. I'm not have to do nothing. I don't know. Yeah, game changer. Speed up processing. But you know, big up in yourself. And this one's still there up on standby. Big up in yourself. Thanks for watching. And I hope you guys loved all my tutorials. But these are my favorites so far. 1, 2, 3. Have a nice day. Take my head cut off. I don't know if you can see me though.